Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to send money to India using Wise step by step. Whether you're helping family or paying for services, this guide will help you do it fast and securely. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Wise account. Log into the Wise app or website. Make sure your account is fully verified and you've added a payment method, like your bank account, card, or Wise balance. Step 2. Click Send. Tap on Send or Send Money from your home screen. In the You Send field, enter the amount you want to send in your local currency, for example, USD or GBP. Then select Indian Rupee as the currency the recipient will receive. Step 3. Enter recipient details. Choose if you're sending to someone's bank account, UPI ID, or business account in India. You'll need details like full name, IFSC code or UPI ID, account number. Step 4. Choose payment method. Pick how you want to pay: debit card, bank transfer, Wise balance, or another option. Remember, each method affects the delivery time and fees. Step 5. Review fees and exchange rate. Wise shows you a transparent fee and the exact exchange rate. You'll also see the estimated arrival time, usually within minutes or same day for India. Step 6. Confirm and send. Double check all the details. Once you're ready, tap Confirm or Send. Wise will process your payment and keep you updated with notifications or emails. Tip: make sure the recipient's name and account info are 100% correct. Errors can delay or block the transfer. And that's it. You've just sent money to India using Wise. If this guide helped, give it a like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.